In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the new Tab Groups button in Google Chrome. Many of us use Google Chrome every day, whether for work, study, or personal browsing. With constant updates, sometimes a new feature gets added that doesn't quite fit with the way we like to browse. One of these features is the new Tab Groups button. While it's designed to help organize your tabs, not everyone finds it helpful, and it can clutter up your user interface. So, if you're looking to remove this feature for a cleaner browsing experience, you've come to the right place. First things first, ensure that you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Look at the top of your browser window, and you'll notice the bookmarks bar running just below the address bar. This is usually populated with any bookmarks you've saved for quick access. If your bookmarks bar isn't showing, you can enable it by clicking on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your Chrome window, selecting Bookmarks, and then selecting Show Bookmarks Bar. Now, focus on your bookmarks bar and find an empty space anywhere along it. This is the space that doesn't have any bookmark icons occupying it. Once you've identified this empty area, right-click it. A menu will pop up with several options available for you to tailor the bookmarks bar to your preferences. Look through this menu, and you'll see an option labeled Show Tab Groups. Currently, if you have the Tab Groups feature visible in your browser, you'll notice a checkmark next to this option, indicating that it is turned on. Tab Groups is a feature that's supposed to assist in keeping your tabs organized by grouping them into categories. This can be convenient in some scenarios, but quite often, it just adds unnecessary complexity to your browsing. To disable the Tab Groups button, simply uncheck this option. You can do this by clicking directly on the Show Tab Groups line in the menu. When you do this, the checkmark will disappear, and you'll notice the Tab Groups button itself disappearing from your user interface. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully hidden the Tab Groups button, giving your Google Chrome a more streamlined look. Your bookmarks bar remains intact, ready for you to use as effectively as possible without the added clutter of unwanted features. Remember, you can always reverse this process if you decide you'd like to give Tab Groups another chance. Simply return to the empty space on your bookmarks bar, right-click, and recheck the Show Tab Groups option. This flexibility is one of the great benefits of Google Chrome's customizable features. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and that this tweak enhances your browsing experience. Thanks for joining us, and happy browsing.